Pipe wrench plumbing came to me at a very low point in my life. I had cancer, going through chemotherapy, and I had a leak in my plumbing, so we had to turn it off. I had to call the home warranty people and wait for them to send someone out. And they did, and then they decided the leak was from the house to the meter. So they ran a new main line to the house, and when they got through with it, the leak was worse than it was before they started. On top of all that, my furnace broke. When they came out here, I was in tears because I had no water and I had no heat, and I was going through the chemo. And so they came out and they looked at the furnace and they said that it needed a part, and they couldn't get the part the same day. They had to order it. So they went ahead and ordered it, but you know what they did that really touched my heart and stopped my tears was the technician called around and found a heater for me and brought it to me that night so I wouldn't be cold all night. And that just made so much, that just made an impact on me that they cared enough to do that. I did not anticipate the level of care and concern that Pipe Wrench showed me.